That's crazy. I have never seen it this high.
This isn't even the top yet.
No. What'd you say? We got another 4 feet before it gets up here? 3-4 feet? What? Huh?
That animal in the grass. It's not a snake. I don't know what it is.
Oh, a groundhog or something?
I think it's a mouse.
Oh.
Probably so scared.
Yeah.
It's okay, little mouse.
Should be mouse. Be scared.
That's what's in it right here.
Yeah, the golf course is so screwed.
I thought she was serious. I was like, no, don't do it. I think that golf course is there. Take on some of this water.
That's probably enough. Well, it's nice to know what we're dealing with. Wouldn't you say?